Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tasting with Tanner, where this week I'm going to make my famous chocolate Andes mint cookies. I'm all out at the moment because my so-called friends keep stealing them from me whenever they get a chance. To start off, we're melting 3/4 cups of butter in a medium saucepan on low heat. Add 2 tablespoons of water and 1.5 cups of brown sugar to the saucepan and mix. Once they've gotten to know each other, add 2 cups of chocolate chips and let them partially melt before taking off heat while continuing to stir. I prefer the best chocolate, which is as dark as my soul, but semi-sweet is fine if you're okay with objectively inferior cookies. In the end, the melted mix will be somewhat grainy, but this is expected. Set that aside to cool before transferring into a bowl and beating in 2 eggs. Then it's time to add the dry ingredients. 2.5 cups of flour, 1¼ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. After it's fully combined, cover with plastic wrap and chill for at least an hour. In the meantime, you can deal with all the Andes mints that need to be unwrapped. You may need to get some not quite of age tools. Once they're finally unwrapped, cut them all in half, resisting the urge to eat them. Okay, maybe eat just a few. After the dough is chilled, form into 1-inch balls. It should be pretty stiff at this point, so get used to putting in some effort. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, being careful not to overbake. Immediately after transferring to a cooling rack, place an Andes mint half on each cookie to melt, swirling with a knife once liquid. And just like that, you've made the best damn cookies in existence. So pour yourself a glass of milk and enjoy. Needless to say, these join the Clean Plate Club. Let's see how long before my friends raid my apartment this time.